at the place. So the one final round has been almost completed. Now it's time to put this thing into the thresher, and after that we'll see the results, guys. It has been raining continuously for last few days. You can see the impact and the bad effects which has thrown on this awesome crop. Unfortunately, we were unable to manage and take this crop and collect this crop, but it is common, guys, in these days that it rained and we missed the opportunity to collect the crop. So guys, let's take it up and the rain is not necessary in these days, guys. When the crop is standing and it is green, we are in much need of rain, but now we do not require any rain. As you can see, it can damage the crop. I mean, due to the continuous moisture around and beneath these bundles of wheat crop, it can damage. Let me show you. It's okay. I cannot say that it will take any damage, but it is something that we should be thinking of nowadays due to continuous rain. बकरियां चरा रहे हो? मैं तेरी बकरियां दी फोटो बढ़ा लवां? फोटो बढ़ा ला बकरियां दी? अगले दिन अगले पिछले साल में बढ़ाई आई उधर इस तो ठीक गान घटाई बता है ना ये क्या नहीं है आप ही नहीं बात खैर है. So meanwhile I was capturing a video about the crop. I thought I should give you a look at this view as well. The sheeps and goats are in the search of food, as you can see. So this is bare land. Everything has been taken. I mean, the chickpea crop has also been taken, and now there is no need to be worried about any damage, because they can move around here in the field freely, and it will not damage anything, and so on. So let's see this thing as well. I am here after a few days and thought to make a video about this. The trees are also getting taller day by day, because these are being provided with the water of rain continuously, so that's why it is also good science. But it is damaging for the wheat crop if it rains continuously for many days. But at the morning I was listening about the weather update that this is the last spell of rain here in our area. So now I hope we will be continuing our work related to this crop. This was an unfortunate thing for us that we stayed for such a long time. I mean, I can say it is almost the end of April and May is going to start, and these days are very hard days in this area, and because of continuous raining and and the clouds wandering up above. We are not feeling any temperature, I mean any hot weather nowadays, but as the weather will be clear, it is a very hot season, guys, very hot season. But it is good for this thing that it will dry soon, and we will put this thing into the thresher. We'll take and collect this crop to our houses. So this is the update of today, guys. I hope you are fine and doing well at your home, at your work. The food has been collected. Now it's time to relax at our homes. So in my last video I have discussed about my new project related to the same thing. I mean, I'm going to start a new project of planning and preparing the field, and this is just 2 acres, so that's why I do not think that it is enough for me to generate a large amount of profit or the revenue. So I thought I should convert this project to the back side of this area. I own some land there as well, 6 to 7 acres of land, and I think that that is a best location for me to put my efforts and investment. Here in these 2 acres I cannot produce a lot of money as well. So that's what's going on. Let me take you guys there. I have taken the chickpea crop from that field early because we have sold that as a vegetable, as a green vegetable, when it was almost ready. It was not fully reaped. We were able to sold that out. So now that thing is fully bare, nothing on this field. So now I'm gonna start and install a new tubewell maybe. Quite amazing, guys, being here and walking around here in this lonely desert. Although kids are there, we will capture some videos about our fun with kids. So excited to start that project again, because these are the few days, maybe few months when I start such kind of things. I make myself busy, which creates a lot of fun for me, being here and planning for my next plan and all that stuff in this area. I've been living here, my parents have been living here for a longer time, and I am also having the same thing in my life to irrigate this land and grow different kind of crops. And as the time is passing, guys, we are getting new ideas related to the crops. Before that, we only grow chickpea crop, but now we have the opportunity to invest our time and money on different other stuff after getting a lot of knowledge about how we can generate, how we can increase our revenue, how can we earn more money out of this land, which is producing us only once in a year. So the idea was that we could fetch a lot of we can fetch twice in a year, growing different crop. So behind all this thing we have this idea. So I think this is the best place. We can install tubewell here. We can cover all this area. This is almost 6 to 7 acres. We can take some sand out of this area, and then we can make a plain field where we can do such stuff in a large quantity. So that is the idea, guys. So how are you guys? So this is the place where I am doing the things. I do not have my Honda with me nowadays, and I am walking on my feet this is good for my health. It's a kind of exercise for me. So let me run for you for a few steps so I can find myself some heartbeat. So here we start. I think my camera has the stabilization. How do you feel? I ran on Dubai streets, and here this is a different experience, guys. A whole lot of different experience. I mean, running in the desert is a complete different thing. So goodbye, guys. Goodbye. So thank you very much for accompanying me here until this time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Allah Hafiz till my next video. I mean, while finishing the recording, I thought I should capture another moment here with the kids, guys. See, they are here in this place, and this crop is also been cut down. So this is the situation of my brother's place, where he also has harvested this wheat crop. I want to update this too. But he has grown another thing as well. And you can see that green thing. This is for the animals' food. Mr. Saad, क्या करीना है? डरता तो बता है आजकल तेरी कणक दी क्या पोजीशन है? कणक मैं तो ज्यादा हो सी घाट हो सी। साथ हम आदुरा एक इंटरव्यू दे। मैं ये पूछना है भाई तुसा जो गड्ढे गिणींदे रहंदे हो वन पूरी कर इथे मतलब तजर्बे जो करींदे रहंदे हो थोड़ा बहुत तुसा दस सकदे हो कि जेड़े गड्ढे अच्छा चलो इतना तो नहीं पता कि फसल कहंदी ठीक होनी लेकिन इतना दस सकदे भी गड्ढे कहंदे ज्यादा गड्ढे सारे ज्यादा ने कितने ने हां 345 सारा 415 412 यानी कि तकरीबन कितना का फर्क होया है 50 तो 70 का फर्क आ गया है। हाँ चलो उस साइड तो सावे ले वने उत्थे 2-3 फोटो बड़े ने। Here we can capture some best shots because when we use the green background, it is almost a very perfect shot. So let me sit in this place and I will ask these two kids to capture me, and that's it. That's the final moments of this video. तू सब की करना कौन बंदा कैमरा ने पे सी जेड़ा मेरी फोटो बड़ा सी तू अच्छा मैं इथे अवल तीन करीने ना तुसा ते सेंटर जो मैं पहले तेरी वीडियो बनाना ते बाद तुसा मेरी वीडियो बना रहे तो सेंटर ही खलो सेंटर की तस्वीर अच्छी आंदी है जान होंदे बस और देखो some clicks and that's it for today. Mr. Ilyas was here. I asked him to please drive me home and he offered me a ride as well. So now I'm going back home. Hey, hello man, chadai manya. Look at it, I na lega. So, kya motorcycle hai? CTA. अच्छा. मैं तो सुबह तरह से चला वीडियो बनानी है अंदाज नहीं बना So Mr. Ilyas offered me a ride, and now we are riding back home. Hope you enjoyed the video of today. Mr. Ilyas, do you want to say anything in the camera? Would you like to say anything here? No? So just look at the camera then and say hi.
कच्चे में चला रहा हूँ, गिर जाऊँगा.
He asked me that he's riding in the desert, so it's risky to say anything see in the camera. So that's it guys, goodbye and Allah.